Zip my hoodie, step out, chasing a chill. Little skip in my walk, like I know a secret joke. Every step on the sidewalk feels like shedding an old coat. I'm proud to purr in public, let my happy rumble roll. If you feel that tiny thunder, let it tumble from your soul. Raise your laugh, your little roar, let your soft side lead the way. Proud to purr in public on New Year's Day. Bus seat window, city yawns itself awake. I catch my own reflection, give myself a break. Headphones humming, I'm mouthing words I say. Here's to being all of me, starting right today. I'm proud to purr in public, let my happy rumble roll. If you feel that tiny thunder, let it tumble from your soul. Raise your laugh, your little roar, let your soft side lead the way. Proud to purr in public on New Year's Day. No more shrinking in the doorway. Stepping, stepping, I'm done dialing myself down. Turn the volume of my joy up, let it buzz across this town. I'm proud to purr, purr, let my happy rumble roll. If you feel that tiny thunder, let it tumble from your soul. Raise your laugh, your little roar, let your soft side lead the way. Proud to purr in public on New Year's Day.